Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a couple of tier trays for the fall. Come on with me, guys. So I'm really excited to decorate these two tier trays because I went shopping and I cannot wait to use these items. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Fall Leaves Tier Tray Collaboration, and that's being hosted by myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. We have Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Joyful Decor by Denise, May's Design Corner, and Ivy Doll. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, always remember to head on over to my community tab where there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. Now, in all the collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. So what I do want to say is that all of the items that I'm using to decorate these tier trays did come from the Dollar Tree, and I believe that the tier trays themselves came from the plus section. Now, I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. So now I do want to make an announcement during this video that we have a content creator called Ivy Doll has a birthday today. So shout out to you, girl. So I have to say that the Dollar Tree is carrying some amazing items. So make sure and head on over there and grab everything, guys. So I decided to decorate just 2 tier trays, and that was more than enough. They both look gorgeous. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank everyone who participated in this collaboration. What a fun collab. I love it. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.